In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate product descriptions with ChatGPT. This process is quick and easy, even if you have no copywriting experience at all. Whether you sell products online, manage an e-commerce store, write listings for Amazon, or need engaging text for your website or social media, this workflow is going to be incredibly useful for you. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out the perfect wording, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting clear and persuasive descriptions in just seconds. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT in your browser or the app and make sure you're signed in. This step is crucial, as it sets everything up for you. Once you're in, you're ready to give it a simple prompt to get started. So here's what you'll do. Type in, write a product description for your product name with features and benefits. For example, if you're selling wireless headphones, you would input, write a product description for wireless headphones with features and benefits. This approach works really well because you're being very clear with ChatGPT about what you want. You're providing the product name while also emphasizing the features and benefits. This distinction is significant, since customers often want to know not only what the product can do, but also why it matters to them. Once you send that prompt, ChatGPT will generate a first draft for you. Think of this as your starting point. From here on, you can refine that description based on the style and tone you want. If you'd like the description to be more engaging, simply ask ChatGPT to make it catchy. Or, if you want the text to be easier to scan, you can request bullet points to break up the information. Additionally, if your goal is to improve visibility in search results, just ask it to include SEO keywords. These follow-up instructions can really transform the final output and make it more beneficial for your audience. For instance, you might say, make it catchy, add bullet points, and include SEO keywords. You can also instruct ChatGPT to write in a specific tone that best matches your brand. Whether you want it to be professional, luxurious, friendly, or playful, the flexibility here is fantastic. Suppose you need more detail or you're working with different formats. You can ask ChatGPT to make the description shorter for a marketplace listing or longer for a dedicated product page. This level of customization is what makes ChatGPT such a powerful tool for anyone looking to write product descriptions. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply copy the product description and paste it wherever you need it. You can use it on your website's product page, in your Amazon listing, in an Etsy shop, in an email campaign, or even as caption content for social media. The best part? You can generate multiple versions until you find one that perfectly aligns with your brand. If you're managing several products, simply repeat the same process using different product names each time. The beauty of this method is that ChatGPT helps you create descriptions much faster than if you were writing them all from scratch. So, now you have a streamlined approach to generating product descriptions with ChatGPT. Just open the tool, enter a clear prompt, customize the results to fit your needs, and copy the text into your store or marketing materials. It's fast, simple, and incredibly beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more